everybody. This is Rosie Paulsen here with beautiful downtown in the back. I just want to talk to you about my upcoming workshop. So have you ever been to a networking event and realized you forgot your business card? Or then somebody else has the same profession you have. And then sometimes in that events you feel lost and you don't know what to do. When you go home in your car, you realize, man, I just wasted about 2 hours of my time and I did not do anything productive for my job. I have the solution for you when you have this thought. Join me, Rosie Paulsen, September 13th, Thursday, at the Portico Cafe in downtown Tampa for my breakfast workshop, Network Net Worth. We will talk about your uniqueness in business and how to promote yourself so your tribe will come to buy from you. Again, this is Rosie Paulsen from the Where is Rosie movement, Rosie Paulsen Enterprises.